Hello and good morning, everybody. You're with Martin Panev, Chief Account Executive and Trading Analyst, GDMFX. As usual, welcome to today's market research European session. Starting with a short brief of what happened yesterday. The U.S. markets, starting with the U.S. markets, the Nasdaq gained about 60 points already. The Dow continued to adding points, another 20 so far, and so has the commodity trading S&P 500. Needless to say, the Dixie index has gained a lot of strength, and we saw that all over the charts yesterday. All of the major currencies have suffered. Just to give you an advice, euro dollar over 100 pips down movement already, still holding the down pressure for today. 80 pips against the Swiss franc, almost 100 pips versus the Aussie, the Australian dollar, another 140 pips versus the New Zealand dollar, 85 pips versus the Japanese yen, 120 pips versus the pound. Way better than expected, the housing markets in the US yesterday, which also added to the massive buyout. We will be waiting to see the durable goods indicators from the US today, unemployment data and PMI. Again from the United States. Going over to the European markets, despite of the downfall of the major USD rivals in the Eurozone, the DAX and the CAC 40 have managed to gain strength, 150 pips for the German index and about 80 pips already on the French. The FTSE also adding another 35 pips already. Just before Mr. Carney's speech later on this afternoon. Moving along to the Asian markets, which are also on an uptrend, starting with the Nikkei, 35 pips, and the markets in China are following. The New Zealand and the Australian indexes are also on the green today. Yesterday there was a speech of the governor of the New Zealand Central Bank, who has mentioned in a speech that the New Zealand dollar, the currency, the value of the currency is still too high. Imagine that. So we are to anticipate the movement already. Of course, on the other hand, he also mentioned I'm talking about Mr. Abe, the governor of the Japanese Central Bank, who also mentioned that the decline of the Japanese yen is something that he's quite fond of. And he will still feel better if the yen shrinks more and more, which is, as we all know, better for the export policies. Now, the CPI data all over is coming for the Japanese yen later on in the late hours today. Of course, major indicators will definitely have a sufficient impact on the markets and the yen rivals. In conclusion, massive sell-off of the currency markets and all jump on the stocks. All of the indexes, major markets on the planet are on the uptrend yesterday and today as well. Moving along to commodities, the decline of the metals is getting more and more obvious as the strength of the greenback grows, something which we were telling you about almost a month ago. I'm guessing our traders that monitor our daily analysis have priced in already. The same goes for the growing prices of the WTI sweet crude oil. The stock changes was in decline yesterday. Again, something that we have warned you about last week. And the prices are on the move instantly after the indicator showed the number. That was pretty much all from me for today. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you a successful trading day. That's all. Cheers. Bye-bye.